This is Boo from Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Today, guys, I'm gonna share with you the best ever recipe for buttery Spritz cookies. These cookies are perfect for Christmas cookie. You can enjoy them with a cup of coffee or tea at breakfast. So let's get right into it. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. These are the ingredients you need: all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, salt, egg, rum extract, confectioner's sugar, crystal sprinkles, and we're gonna be using vintage cookie press, guys. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off by preheating our oven at 375 Fahrenheit. The reason why mine is 350 is because it's a convection oven. So let's get back to the ingredients, guys. In a bowl, I have all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add salt. Then I'm gonna mix all this together. Then set it aside. Into the bowl, I'm gonna add my butter and confectioner sugar. My mixer is on 1. In goes 1 egg, rum extract, now I'm gonna mix. Okay. Now I'm gonna add my flour. My mixer is on low, guys. This recipe, guys, is so easy. You can even use a wooden spoon if you like, but today I decided to use a hand mixer. Using a cookie press, now we're gonna pipe our dough into a baking sheet pan. Take the dough and shove it into the cookie press, just like so, guys. I have a pine tree plate, so we're gonna be using that. My cookie tray is not greased, guys. Make sure it's cold, okay? We're gonna pipe our cookie dough, making a quarter turn. The first one, they never come out right. Don't worry about it. Put sprinkles on our cookies. Our cookies are decorated with sprinkles. Now it's time to bake them at 375 Fahrenheit for 6 to 9 minutes or until they're brown on the edges. Our cookies are baked. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer them. Look at them, guys. Look underneath how they look. So I'm gonna transfer them into a cooling rack. Then let them cool completely. There you have it, guys. Best ever Spritz cookies. These cookies, guys, are easy to make. You can have fun decorating them with sprinkles. You don't even need to chill the dough. This cookies freezes well, and you can ship them wonderfully to your friends, to your family. The baked Spritz can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. So you don't have to worry about anything. 5 days, perfect. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Boy's Kitchen. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos so you don't miss our upcoming videos, and subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honeys.